Google has expanded the availability of Magic Eraser and a variety of enhanced editing features to Google One members on both Android and iOS platforms. Previously, these features were exclusively reserved for Google Pixel users. In this video, I will guide you on how to effectively use Magic Eraser to eliminate unwanted elements from your images. To get started, open Google Photos and select the image with the unwanted object or photobomber. Tap Edit at the bottom menu bar and navigate to Tools. Click on Magic Eraser. Now Google Photos will automatically attempt to detect and remove unwanted elements. If it accurately identifies the objects you want to remove, click Erase All to eliminate them. Then select Done and Save Copy to save the edited image. If Google Photos doesn't spot the unwanted objects, you can manually erase them by circling or brushing over them with your finger. The app will instantly make them disappear. And that's not all. With the Camouflage feature in Magic Eraser, you can even change the color of objects in your photo to help them blend in naturally with the rest of the image, putting the focus on what truly matters. Once you have completed the edits, tap Done and Save Copy. Thanks for watching. Please consider subscribing.